Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learners Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm James. Lovely to have you with us, wherever you're listening from.
This is your time to listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's enjoy today's story together.
Today's episode is called Shopping at the Local Market. We'll visit a cozy American farmer's market full of fresh fruits, flowers, and friendly smiles.
I can almost smell the strawberries already.
Ha, me too. So, shall we begin?
Let's go. Last Saturday, I went to my favourite local market. It was a bright, sunny morning. The air smelled like fresh bread and coffee. I walked slowly, holding my little basket. I saw colourful fruits, red apples, yellow lemons, and juicy peaches. The flowers were so beautiful. I stopped to smell the lavender. It made me smile. I talked to a woman selling homemade honey. She gave me a small spoon to taste. It was sweet and golden. I said, "Wow, this is delicious." She laughed and said, "It's made with love." I love markets like this. Everyone is friendly. People talk, laugh, and share stories. What about you? Have you ever been to a farmer's market? Do you like shopping for fresh food?
That sounds absolutely lovely, Emma. I can picture it. The soft morning light, the smell of coffee, people smiling. In England, we also have small local markets. On Saturdays, many people buy vegetables, bread, and cheese. There's something special about it. A simple joy.
Yes, exactly. It feels real. Not like a big supermarket. It's calm and warm.
And you know, shopping at the market is also great English practice. You meet people, you say hello, you ask questions. It's everyday conversation in real life.
That's true. And that's what today's episode is all about. We'll help you listen, repeat, and speak English through simple, natural market conversations.
So, dear listener, relax, breathe, and get ready for our shadowing practice. We'll take you step by step through a peaceful morning at the local market.
Let's begin part 1. Arriving at the market. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I walk to the market. The sun feels warm. I carry my basket. People smile and say hello. I hear music in the air. I smell fresh bread. It's a beautiful morning. Well done. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Now let's move to part 2, buying bread. Repeat after me, nice and slow. I see a bakery stand. The bread looks golden. I smile at the baker. I say, "Good morning." She says, "Would you like a loaf?" I say, "Yes, please." The smell is wonderful.
Excellent job. You're speaking with kindness. Very polite.
Let's go to the fruit stand next. Repeat after me. I see apples and oranges. The colours are bright. I pick up a red apple. I ask, "How much is this?" The seller smiles. He says, $2 a pound. I buy 3 apples. They feel fresh and cold. Apple.
Now let's enjoy some flowers. Repeat after me. I see yellow sunflowers. The smell is sweet. I say, "They are beautiful." The woman smiles. She says, "Thank you." I buy a small bunch. She wraps them carefully. Wonderful! You're practicing both English and kindness.
Now, let's move to the honey stand. Repeat after me. Enjoy some flowers. Repeat after me. The jars shine in the sun. I see golden honey. I say, "Can I try some?" The seller gives me a spoon. It tastes sweet and soft. I buy 1 jar. I say, "Thank you very much." Nice job! You're doing amazing. Let's do one more section together.
Now it's time to go home. Repeat after me. My basket is full. I feel happy and calm. My basket is full. I walk slowly home. The air feels fresh. I think about my day. I smile to myself. It was a lovely morning. Well done. Truly peaceful, wasn't it?
Now, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale.
You're improving every time you speak. Even small steps make a big difference.
Learning English is not about speed. It's about enjoying the journey, one word at a time.
Exactly. So, if today you spoke just a few new words, that's wonderful progress.
You're doing great. Be proud of yourself.
Today, we visited a peaceful farmer's market, full of warmth, color, and connection. It's a reminder that English isn't only about grammar, it's about life. Every hello, every smile, every small talk. That's real English.
Yes! And I hope this episode helps you feel calm, confident, and ready to speak English naturally. You're building a beautiful habit, step by step.
So keep practicing, dear listener. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing.
And as always, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning English the easy way.
See you next time on English Learners Podcast.
See you next time on English Learners Podcast.